Hello everyone, as you can see we have some bounty hunters in front of us. I figured I'd go ahead and open these guys up. We're only going to do one of these today, and then you'll have to come back to the channel and follow up for the other ones. So I figured we'd go ahead and do a random pick to see which one of these guys we're going to do. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
All right, IG-11 it is. So in a future video, we'll do Forlom and Zuckuss. All right, so today we're gonna unbox IG-11. I'm looking forward to doing this. I actually have IG-88 as well from the Mandalorian, so I'm looking forward to unboxing this one. If you've already unboxed IG-11, or you just have them in a box, let me know what your thoughts are on them. I've never unboxed them, so I'm looking forward to doing that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a look at the outside the box. We'll go ahead and unbox them, take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back and talk about maybe some of the things that I like and or don't like about the figure. So it looks like we have a normal blaster, and then we've got a rifle or assault rifle blaster style there. This is IG-11, obviously. It's one of the older red box styles. It does not have big number on the side, which means it was probably some sort of special. IG-11 here says, one of a series of dangerous assassin droids largely outlawed in the galaxy. IG-11 is a hired gun program to follow Bounty Hunters Guild protocols to the letter. All right, and then we've got IG-11. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. And as we normally do on the channel, we'll go ahead and go from the bottom. And like I said before, if you've unboxed this guy, let me know any thoughts that you have on him. I'm always interested to hear from others what their thoughts are on different Black Series figures. And let's see what we got. So, assault rifle, blaster, and there he is. Ooh. All right. Awesome, he stands up. All right, I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm not going to lie. I was a little afraid that he was going to fall over, but he does stand up pretty well on his own. On the shelf, I'm probably going to be using some museum putty just to make sure that he does stand up on his own, although the feet, which we'll go over, looks pretty sturdy. All right, so blaster, or assault rifle style blaster, looks good. I mean, it's the standard one that we normally see. I'm glad it's just not a flat black. We do have some focus. We do have some additional coloration on there as well, so that's not bad. And then the blaster, I think they did a good job on this as well because it isn't just the flat black. It does have a metallic color to it. So, but both of these we've seen before, I believe. All right, which brings us to the face. All right, so yeah, head turns at the top, only at the top, which is good, or not good, I don't know. So I was expecting to be able to turn, here and here, but that's not the case. Not the end of the world. We've got the belts here. Ooh, it looks like we can put one of the guns on there. I like the fact that it's just not flat black. We definitely have some coloration here. As far as the arms are concerned, we'll do the full 360 there. We'll turn at what would be the elbow. It does not bend at the elbow, however. And we don't have any turning at any other place on there either. And same thing. Oh, I guess we do have a bend. I take that back. We do have a bend. All right. I was a little worried, but there is a bend. It's not perfect, but it does work. And then at the legs, you are able to turn. I'd just be careful because we do have these cords there. But they are able to bend. I'm not going to do too much only because of that. And then the feet, they definitely have some motion to them. So, I mean, overall, I'm looking forward to seeing what this guy can do. As far as the rifle, I mean, That's awesome. I like that a lot, actually. And then blaster, was he able to hold it? Yeah. I mean, it's going to need some work, but oh, look at that. All right. So I'm glad I took a look at it. We've got right here, we've got that pinhole. There's a pinhole at the bottom there. And I believe, there we go. Right like that will fit. That's pretty awesome. And then we have the same thing on the other one. Let's see if we've got that. Aha. And also here on that one. Okay. That's pretty awesome. I was kind of worried about how they were going to be able to make them hold the blasters. It's not a problem. So that is super cool. Although you're going to have to mess with the legs in order to be able to get them to stand up with the guns as well. If we could focus. All right. I'll be right back. We'll go ahead and take some pictures, and I'll come back talking about maybe some things I learned that maybe I like and or don't like about them. All right, so this figure is much cooler than I thought it was going to be. He's got a lot of flexibility. You can put him in a lot of different poses. One thing that I did see, as you probably saw in the photo, is that the arm does just come out straight 90 degrees right at the shoulder. And one of the cool things about this figure is the fact that, you know, he's got eyes all the way around him, so he's able to shoot forward, to the side, to the back, all at the same time. So I think that's super cool. I really like this bandolier here, especially since it is able to carry the rifle, which, you know, he's probably not going to be shooting all the time. One of the things I was really worried about in the very beginning was that before opening him was, you know, how he was going to hold on to him because of the way that his hand is. It's like a caliper, so it's not like he's really going to be able to hold a blaster like you normally would, but it's obviously not a problem because of the peg system that they've got with these blasters. I'm not sure if the other blasters have that as well. If they do, that's really cool. I'm definitely going to have to take a closer look at that to see if that is the case. But anyways, I think it's a great figure. You can still pick them up every once in a while. You know, if I find a link on Amazon, I'll go ahead and link it, use an affiliate link down in the description. If you have any questions about the figure, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we do other things that a professional geek might find interesting as well, whether it be subscription boxes, going to theme parks, unboxing different things, electronics, home automation, that sort of thing. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and also be on the lookout for the other two bounty hunters that will be available on the channel here shortly. So with that, have a great day.